So well done on those two exercises. Some of these new words maybe were a little bit tricky. And do make sure to look up any new words or phrases in an online dictionary such as Cambridge or Macmillan. So now let's have a look at some pronunciation. So the first word is coach. Coach. In the context that we looked it in, it is a verb. So to coach someone. It can also be used as a noun, a coach. The next word is essential. Essential. And what type of word is this? An adjective. So we often talk about an essential part of a job or an essential service. The next word is referral. Referral. And this can be in the singular form or in the plural form as we have it here, referrals. Sometimes a prospective employer will ask for one referral, or they might ask for 2 or 3 referrals. The next one on the list is a phrase, 2 phrases which have a similar meaning, a mutual benefit and a two-way street. Basically, it means I do something for you, you do something for me. A very common strategy in business. The next word is engaging. Engaging. This is an adjective. It is good to be engaging in a business meeting, so you are talking and listening. The next word is succinctly. Succinctly. What type of word is this? It's an adverb. Succinct can also be an adjective. And can you remember the meaning? It's to use as little or as few words as possible when explaining. The next word is concise. Concise. So again, in a similar meaning to succinct, it means to be short, to be brief. You should give clear, concise instructions. The next word is handy. Handy. Do you think this word is formal or informal? If you guessed informal, you are correct. So handy is another word for useful. And the last word, it's actually a phrasal verb. It is to come across. To come across. And can you remember the meaning of this one? It's to find something by chance, by coincidence. So if you remember our example sentence, we said using something like LinkedIn, someone might come across your profile. They might find it by accident. If you're still unsure on any of these vocabulary items, do make sure to look them up in an online dictionary.